Hello students, in the last video I have already discussed about the lifespan and now I'll discuss here about the reproduction. What do you mean about the reproduction here? Reproduction means the process of production of new individual or new generation, that is actually called the reproduction. So what about the reproduction here? The process of reproduction of new individual or new generation, that is called the reproduction. Actually reproduction is of two types. The first one, that is the asexual, and the second one, that is the sexual. So what about the asexual reproduction mean? A is actually called the knot. What is the meaning of the A? That is a knot. And sexual, it means sex organ, or you can say the sex cells actually. What is sex cells? तो and what about the sexual here? तो sexual से अगर हम बात करते हैं तो यहाँ पे sex cells की बात कर देते हैं. So the reproduction in which sex cells are not participate to give rise a new individual, that is called the asexual reproduction. And in case of the sexual reproduction, sex cells actually participate in the production of new individual, that is called the sexual reproduction. So what is the difference between the asexual and sexual reproduction? I'll discuss here. That is the first difference. Only one parent is required. Only one parent is required, or you can say only one parent body required. And in this sexual reproduction, two bodies are required. Two parent bodies are required. And the second step is the second difference, that is the only mitosis takes place. In this process, only mitotic division takes place. You know about the mitosis. In the mitosis division, the exact copy is actually formed. This is called the equational division. Understand? And in the sexual reproduction, meiosis takes place. That is the second difference. So in this reproduction, the meiosis takes place. Understand? But not only meiosis takes place in this type of sexual reproduction, actually mitosis also takes place. So in the asexual reproduction, only one parent body is required. In the sexual reproduction, two parent body required. In the asexual reproduction, mitotic division takes place only. Not place only. And in the second difference in the sexual reproduction, meiosis takes place as well as mitosis also takes place. And the third difference in the asexual reproduction, the third difference is fusion of gametes. Gametes are actually called sex cells. Takes place. And in the sexual reproduction, fusion of gametes takes place. And the fourth point, clone is actually formed. And the fourth difference here, that is the recombination. And variation takes place. So this is a difference between the asexual and sexual reproduction. Again, I'll quick recall here. First one, we have to understand about the lifespan. The lifespan, the time period from birth to death, that is called the lifespan. And in different organism, different type of lifespan is present. We have to understand about the reproduction. What about the reproduction here? Reproduction means the process of production of new individual. That is called the reproduction. Reproduction is of two types: asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction. In the asexual reproduction, there is no sex cells takes place in this process, and in the sexual reproduction, gametes takes place in this process, or gametes are required in this process. And the differences between the asexual and the sexual reproduction: in asexual reproduction, only one parent body is required. In the sexual reproduction, two parent bodies is required. In the asexual reproduction, only mitotic division takes place, because there is equational division takes place. In the sexual reproduction, meiosis division takes place, as well as mitotic division takes place. In the asexual reproduction, third difference is fusion of gametes not required. That's why we can say sex cells are not required, or two different parents are not required in the asexual reproduction. In the sexual reproduction, fusion of gametes takes place. In the fourth difference, in asexual reproduction, clone is formed. What about the clone here? Clone is physiological and morphological similar product. Clone is a product of asexual reproduction, which is exact copy of their parents, or you can say physically or physically or physiologically similar with the parent. In the fourth difference, in sexual reproduction, recombination, or you can say crossing over, takes place at the time of cell division, and that's why variation takes place. So this is called the asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction.